Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace cartridge for the KS124ALBSAC. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need an Allen wrench, adjustable wrench, cartridges part KSRP1291HC, and KSRP1291CC. Next, make sure to shut off main water supply. Remove handle by loosening the set screw underneath the handle. Loosen escutcheon by hand. Using an adjustable wrench, remove cartridge by turning in a counterclockwise direction. Insert and thread new cartridge in a clockwise direction. Tighten with adjustable wrench. Follow by the escutcheon. Reattach handle back and secure by tightening set screw. Before we finish, make sure to turn on main water supply and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the replacements.